Hello, today we are making a healthy light soup full of vegetables. First, let's peel and cut the vegetables. Potatoes, zucchini, carrots, turnips, and onions. Peel and cut into small cubes. Cut the tomatoes in half and grate them in the large holes of the grater. Discard the skin. Remove the leaves from the celery sticks and finely chop the sticks. On medium heat in a large pot, drizzle the olive oil. Add the chopped onions, salt and pepper. Cook for 3 minutes until the onions soften. Add the chopped carrots, zucchini, turnips, and potatoes. Mix. Now add the chopped celery sticks and chickpeas that I soaked in water overnight. And finally, add the grated tomatoes and tomato paste. Mix it all. Cover with water. Then add turmeric. And the bunch of parsley. Cover the pot, increase the heat to medium-high until the water reaches a boiling point. Then reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking for 20 minutes or so until the vegetables become tender. Add the vermicelli pasta. Remove the parsley bunch. Taste and season the soup with salt and pepper. Then cover the pot and continue cooking for another 5 minutes. Our soup is ready. Serve it immediately. Check this out. A steamy bowl of healthy vegetable shorba that will make you very happy. So yummy! Bon appétit!